Yeah, good morning, and welcome to our this morning session. Uh, we had seen continuations of international market moving up. The Santa Claus rally continue in the current sessions. But we had seen yesterday that the dollar index came off very sharply by almost around 70 bips. It declined yesterday from the same time last in the morning. And also bond yield also came off by around 7 basis points in the US for 10-year bond. Uh, all these has supported the market both in equity and commodity as well. Uh, if you see, the probability of rate cut has further improved, and now market expect that rate cut expectations for March is at around 87%. The probability of rate cut in March has increased to almost around 87%. When the Fed meeting happened, the probability was in favor of rate cut in May, but from there it has improved now to March also. So this is supporting the overall market that the rate cut is coming sooner, very much sooner, and very near now, and this is fueling the market. If you see the commodity like oil has come off by around $1, but other commodities has shown some improvement. So overall directions from the international clue is indicating that the market is likely to continue its rally towards the year end. There are two trading days left in this year end, and which seems to be uh, positive. And I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, yesterday Nifty closed the all-time high and again break the all-time high and sustain this level. So momentum to be positive in coming one to two trading session in 2023. Today, intraday first immediate resistance place around 21,730. If Nifty break this level, then we expect Nifty heading towards 21,900 and 22,000 in upside. First immediate support place around 21,540 and then for 21,400 at downside. So we expect positive open and remain a positive during the day in Nifty. Bank Nifty also trading in positive territory. We expect some positive momentum to be continued. Intraday first immediate resistance place around 48,580 and then we expect towards 48,800 and 49,000 in upside. Downside first immediate support place around 48,000 and then 47,630. So Bank Nifty also looks positive at current level. Fin Nifty intraday immediate resistance place 21,760 and then 21,850 and upside. First immediate support in 21,500. All three index looks positive in today's session. We expect this monthly series expiry in positive side. So we expect some positive momentum to be continued in both index and Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty also. Stock specific, yesterday we saw that Hindalco break the immediate resistance that is 580 level and sustain that level above and given a good breakout in weekly chart also. So we expect some positive momentum towards 620 and 630 in upside. A downside support place around 596. Second, Biocon also looks positive at current level. We expect some positive momentum in Biocon. If Biocon break 256 level in upside, then we expect positive momentum to be continued towards 270, 280 in upside. Do expect some positive momentum in Biocon also. Secondly, Bajaj Auto also looks positive current level. So we expect some positive momentum in bank. PNB also looks positive at current level. To expect some positive momentum in this stock. Cummins India looks weak. Yesterday we saw some pressure in Cummins India. So we expect some pressure to be continue in intraday session. Yesterday we saw that Cummins is facing the immediate resistance around 2030 upside, and some pressure in yesterday intraday session that if Cummins India break 1970, then we expect some pressure to be continued towards 1900 and downside. That's it for technical. Derivative I can carry.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as I mentioned yesterday, that the OI position from last 4 to 5 trading sessions have been increased substantially, and we have seen that in yesterday's session, once Nifty managed to get about 21,500 and managed to get stable about 21,500 level in the first half, then major we have seen that the OI position got added for the positive side, and the correlator position started getting liquidated near 21,500 strike, which was facing continuous resistance from last 2 weeks. While on that strike, we have seen that the put writer positions got added up heavily from 21,500 level. We have seen that 9 million positions of put writer got added up, and the call writer position which got liquidated got shifted on the upside toward 21,900 to 22,000 mark. Now on the monthly basis for the Jan series also, we are seeing that 22,000 mark will act as a resistance zone for the market. While the OI position on the future side, we are seeing that it is trading near 1.7 crore, which is trading on the higher note. It's trading way above its average level, but it is on the positive side. The position of future Y which got added up is completely on the bias front, because we are seeing that the resistance which was facing is completely wiped out, and the shorts got trapped in that scenario, due to which the Y positions got added up. While PCR yesterday closed at a 1.41 level, the next resistance for PCR will lie at 1.48 to 1.52 level. Once if PCR comes near 1.52 level, at that point of time, we might see some profit booking around 50 to 80 points on the Nifty front. But again, the stability will be seen. The support for the Nifty will lie at 21,500 level for next 1 to 2 days of trading session. Once if Nifty goes below 21,500 level, then some sort of profit booking need to be done. But till the time it's not breaking the supportive level, till that point of time, we should hold the long position. India VIX is continuously increasing. Yesterday also we have seen that India VIX increased by 6%, giving close near 15.50 level. Due to this, we are seeing that the option premium is getting expensive from last 2 trading sessions. It will be little concerning part till the time India VIX is not coming down. So once if Nifty comes here 21,900 to 21 and 22,000 mark, at that point of time we should start booking some profit, or we should see some consolidation phase in coming trading sessions after 21,900 level. While on the sectoral phase basis, we see auto, banking, and metal counter looks positive. While on the metal front, JSW still looks positive. We are seeing that in yesterday's session, fresh breakout has been witnessed with the fresh long OI positions getting added up. So JSW still and sale looks positive. While other counter which looks positive would be National Aluminium, Navin Fluor. These two counter also looks positive in today's trading session. So that's it from derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. Canara Bank has approved to initiate the process of listing of its mutual fund subsidiary, Canara Robeco. Canara Bank owns 51% stake in Canara Robeco, and so if we value the AMC at 4% of AUM, stake of Canara Bank works out to around 2% of the bank's market cap, so it's positive. Confidence Petroleum has received a letter of acceptance from BPCL to supply 450 numbers of CNG Type 1 cascades for BPCL compressed gas projects worth 67 crores. This is marginally positive. IPO of Azad Engineering will be listing today. We had given subscribe rating. Total issue size was 740 crores, of which 240 crores is fresh issue, 500 crores OFS. A stock is expected to list at a premium of over 50%, where its market cap will be around 4,600 crores. Azad Engineering is a manufacturer of high precision and critical components, which are used in power sector in steam turbine, thermal turbine assembly. Power sector forms almost 90% of its revenue mix, where it has clients like GE, Mitsubishi, Siemens, and Honeywell. Remaining 10% of revenue comes from electronic components used in aircraft engines, where it has clients like Boeing, Airbus, Lockheed Martin, and even HAL. Uh, uh, to get entry into, to become a vendor with such large global OEMs, it's a very difficult task and takes minimum 3 to 4 years for each product, to develop the product and get approval from these clients. So it's a business with a very high entry barrier, and that is the reason that Azad is commanding EBITDA margins of 33% compared to peer average who are in this space of aerospace and niche power sector, machining work. So those companies typically have an EBITDA margin of around 15%. Also, over last 3 years, the company's growth has been at 27% CAGR compared to just 9% for peers. At the issue price, Azad was being valued at 33 times EV EBITDA on H1 annualized EBITDA, which was in line with peers. So we thought that having numbers which are much superior to the peers, it warranted to trade at a premium. But at a listing price, it would trade at around 800 per share. So stock will be trading at a PE of 68 times FY25 earnings, which seems costly. But we expect valuations to sustain at these levels also, and stock to compound at 20-25% in the long term post listing because of much higher earnings growth than peers, and also the niche business that it is in with high entry barriers. Thank you.
Yeah, Petronet LNG has proposed to has signed a agreement to set up a floating LPG regasification terminal with Gopalpur port of around 4 million tons. So this take normally very long period for setup and all. So the actual outcome will be far off, but sentimentally positive for the company. Now request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, as expected, prices in commodities are rallying, and the momentum should continue. So, one can initiate buy in gold around 63,500, and on upside, we are eyeing for 63,800 to 64,000. So, maintain a stop loss of 63,250. Silver also looks positive. Prices are expected to test 76,200 to 76,500. Buying around 75,400 is recommended with a stop loss of 74,900. Copper, we are expecting prices to test 745, 48 on upside. So buying around 737 is recommended with a stop loss of 732. Similarly, zinc also we are expecting 234 to 35 levels. So buying around 231 is recommended with a stop loss of 229. Crude oil, yesterday we had witnessed some profit taking, though prices are expected to correct till 6150. So buying around these levels for a pullback is recommended with a stop loss of 6080. On upside again, 60 to 50 prices are expected to cool off, and for trading purpose one can sell with a strict stop loss of 6310. Natural gas, we are expecting some consolidation from 197 to 212. So one can trade within this range. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning, all. For today's trading session in USD and we are expecting the sideways to bearish momentum. So, for intraday purpose, one can initiate short positions within a range of 83.5 38 to 83.41 levels with a stop loss of 83.52 with a target of 83.30, 83.30 and 83.25 levels. In JPY INR, one can initiate a long positions within a range of 59.08 to 59 levels with a stop loss of 58.64 or a target of 59.50 and 59.82 levels. Thank you.